Hello, everybody. This is Sasha Monique Talks. Hello, my friends. So, today I'm doing a taste test. I got this sub from Chek, and it's a ham and cheese. And I also have some Fanta soda that I'm drinking with it. I go to Chek all the time. I haven't tried the subs yet. So let me unwrap this thing and get into it. Okay, it did it a little sloppy a little bit. And this is the 6-inch sub. Wait a minute. They put mustard. I didn't ask for no mustard in my sub. Well, let me eat it anyway. Where the heck is the cheese? Oh, they got a little bit. Let me put some little cheese. Not about this much cheese up there. I live in an area and they have a lot of stores that sell just about everything in food too. Sandwiches, chicken wings, fries, meatball sandwiches, and stuff like that. They sell the best subs. They full of flavor. They're inexpensive. A sub like this would be maybe $3, $2 or $3. Okay, this was $6. It's not that bad, you know. But this sub doesn't taste that good. I'm hungry, and that's why I'm eating it, but I don't know what possessed them to put mustard on my sub. I like mayo on my subs. And then it just don't taste like the other ones. They put a little more care in it. They put the vinegar. You put pepper up there. As much mayo as you want. I don't like Subway subs either. I don't. Of course, this Fanta is good. Mm-mm. 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 It's not good. They have a lot of people that go to that Chek. I do like their croissant sandwich with the bacon, egg, and cheese on it, or the bacon, sausage, and cheese, and egg. Those are pretty good, but this here, I'm so disappointed. People say, what is the hood good for? Cheap food that tastes good. Well, actually, before the pandemic, nothing tastes the same after the pandemic. But it's the shop that I go to, the store. Let me not say what I want to say. It's not in the safe area. But their food, mm, mm, mm. They had the best subs ever. You got a lot of meat on it. I can never eat it all by, like in one seating. I eat half and then I eat the other half later or the next day. It is so good. I think I think I brought y'all in the store. And they make the best tuna fish subs. The best I ever had in my life. So quick check. Had to do better than this. It tastes so bland. I'll stick to their breakfast sandwiches. I can't eat that. I was just stopping in, doing this little short review at a quick check. Ham and cheese sub. I like no-name sub shops, or not even a sub shop. They just have good food. They have the best loaded fries. Oh, they're good. Where they put cheese and like the chili sauce or something. I guess it's chili sauce they put on top. But that's good. Okay, y'all. So I'll come back with some more videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Okay, and I'll be back soon.